This bag is very in demand at the market right now. It's about time na daw para ilabas na daw nila ang middle size. Bonjour mga madam! We have the hottest and the newest in the market, the Evelyn 23. We have the black in gold hardware and the tube in palladium hardware. Both classic and very hard to find color mga madam. So samahan niyo akong i-unbox. Let's do the unboxing of this one. So open po natin yung una nating Evelyn. Open ko lang po ng dahan-dahan para hindi malukot ang papel. So you have this one, the care card of course. And of course, this one, the dust bag mga madam. So this is the black in gold hardware. Ayan mga madam. This is the perfect size. This is the Evelyn 23. It's about time na daw para ilabas na daw nila ang middle size since 2000 mga madam. So this one mga madam, this is the Evelyn TPM. Ayan, ganyan kaliit. And of course, this one is the Evelyn 23, the perfect size and the hottest in the market as of now mga madam. So of course, you have here sa likod, you have a pocket here. And ayan lang, open lang po natin yung snap closure. And nandyan na yung kanyang strap mga madam. So this is the strap, the suede leather on the inside, and the classic H. And you can see the stamp here under this leather mga madam. We got this January 16, 2026 Rome, Italy batch mga madam. So open ko na po mga madam yung ating strap. So it consists of black strap mga madam, thick black strap 2 inches mga madam. So it's adjustable strap. So depende ulit sa height po ninyo mga madam. And of course, you can wear it like as a shoulder bag mga madam. Kaya marami talaga ang may gusto nito mga madam. So this is it mga madam, pag shoulder strap mga madam. Ayan siya pag shoulder strap. And kapag gusto mo i-elongate, ayan, adjust mo yung strap para po mas mahaba pa po. Perfect adjustable strap for all kinds of height. Kaya nga, sobrang hirap hanapin because this bag is very in demand at the market right now. And I wanted to congratulate the two madams na kumuha nito sa amin. Thank you all so much for your love, trust, and support. Actually, sila talaga nagsabi, Nicole, find me an Evelyn 23 classic colors. Ganun naman po talaga sila. And of course, ayan siya mga madam. So if you wanted an Evelyn 23, let us know mga madam. Always brand new and fresh from the store. And wala kayong makikita sa second-hand market ng other stamp or 2025 kasi nga nirelease lang siya ng 2026. So let us know mga madam. Nandito ang inyong lingkod, your global luxury creator, Baggage PH. Your happiness is our success.